Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Renzo, nice meeting you all. Well, first thing first, I'm really sorry for my English. I know that some of your ears are bleeding there. I haven't spoken English since, I don't know, 8 years ago, and even back then I wasn't really good at it. So bear with me, okay? And I'm also sorry for the video or audio quality, but it's the best I could get. I don't even have headphones, I'm just saving a tutorial. I'm not so much of a video guy yet, I think. Well, what am I with you today? First thing first, to introduce myself and a little bit of a background. Speaking of the topic, I've been studying programming for more than a year now, and I've been silently working on an app for 5 months, and I'm finally releasing it in alpha state. There's still too much work to do, but just as a test, as a prototype. An app that's called Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Yugi Calculator MAX. Without further ado, here it is, and you can access it in ycm.netlify.app. You actually don't need a /calc. If you will delete it and hit enter, you will be actually redirected to the calculator itself. Well, first thing first, you will see that it's fitting the whole screen. It's not too appealing because I'm in my laptop right now, and I tried my best to make this application somewhat usable in all devices, being portrait or being landscape view. Since this is a wide screen, it can look a little bit weird, but I designed it mobile first, since if you're a duelist, you're not going to take your laptop there to the duel arena, right? You will actually have it in your cell phone or any mobile device. So this is a web application. It's not in Google Store, in Google App Store, or Play Store, sorry. And you will actually have to download it from the website itself. If you logged into this website from your mobile phone, you will actually see a screen here, the first thing that will pop up. Not the screen, I mean a modal component, the modal screen, a pop-up here, telling you or asking you if you want to download the app. If you are on anything that's not a mobile device, you actually have to open it in Google Chrome for both mobiles and non-mobile devices. But well, in PCs or laptops, you have the option available here in this plus icon. It actually tells you if you want to install it, so let's do it, right? We click on it, and this simulates an installation, but it's not actually that. What has just happened is that this website that was actually loaded here on top of the screen separated itself, defragged from the browser, and the navigation bar disappeared. So the whole screen is being covered, and there's no navigation bar conflicting with styles. When you download it, it will not appear in PCs or laptops. It will not appear in this size. You will actually be seeing it more like this, but the size can be accustomed. You just have to expand or collapse it as you wish. You can use it in landscape view or in portrait view. I try my best to accustom the styles as everything. You will also see that both on your PCs, laptops, or mobile devices, on your main screen, the icon will be generated here. What this icon does is simply, let me close this, open a website on full screen mode with no navigation bar. That's it. It's not an app. It's almost like an app. This is what's called programming, what's called progressive web application. That allows you to see the app like this and to use it offline. More on it later. Well, I'm actually not gonna use the app like this. I'm gonna use it. Let's open it again, and I'm gonna hit developer mode, F12, and this is what you will see in your cell phone. If you ever used the duel calculator this is not anything more than that, right? You can subtract life points in 100, in 500, in 1000. You can customize the subtraction. You can customize the addition. If you type anything, you can clear it. You can subtract life points in amounts of half, and you can restart the duel. Utils are here. Coins are supported. You can toss coins. You can add up to 6 coins and toss them all. You can clear all coins. And you can roll dice. You can add dice exactly the same as coins. You can clear them. You can add them again, and that's it. Probability is equally distributed among all dice. And you can add tokens, exactly the same as coin and dice. Remove them. You can increase the amount of tokens you have. You can switch their background if you want to identify them as anything. And timer is also supported. When you hit start, timer starts counting. You will see the bar here. It fills up in a color and then gets subtracted little by little. You can see the percentage of the time here too. Timer can be paused, so it's no longer running. You can unfreeze it and pause it, so it goes on. And you can dead stop it. This is the same as restarting the duel. What else? If you are not familiar or you actually want to see the calculator buttons, you can click on this one here, which will toggle the screen back down, hide all the calculator buttons, and enable it again. If you're on a mobile device, swiping is supported. You can swipe down, and you can swipe up or down. It's the same to enable or trigger the same ability. Well, one thing that I forgot telling you is that names are fully customizable. You can double click on them or double tap them and change them. Let's put like Yugi here, and let's set type as name here. And now names are set. Timer, such is the case for timer. For example, if you don't want the duel to be 20 minutes long, you actually want it to be 10, you can start the timer and that's it. You will see that it will log in the set time you tell them. Anywhere between 23, 59, 59 from 23, 59, 59 to 001. If you try to start a timer with nothing on it, it will autocomplete to the last value used. And if you, I don't know, want to set a higher value than the intended one, for example, not 23 here, but let's put, I don't know, 99, it would auto set itself to its correct value. You see? So that's it for the timer itself.